In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk to Gemini live responses. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll feel comfortable launching a real-time voice conversation and, when needed, switching to the camera so Gemini can see exactly what you're talking about. Start by opening the Gemini app on your device. Give it a moment to load the home screen. From here, you're moving from regular typed chat into a live conversation. Look for the icon that takes you into the conversation screen, then tap the live option. Live mode is designed for quick back and forth, so instead of typing, you'll speak and hear responses right away. If you see a prompt asking for microphone access, that's normal. Grant it so your voice can be heard clearly. Once live is active, you can begin speaking as if you're chatting with someone on a call. Take a breath, speak naturally, and ask your question or describe what you need. You don't have to use perfect phrasing, just say what's on your mind. If you pause, Gemini will usually wait for you to continue and then respond in a moment. If something isn't quite right, just add a quick correction like, "Actually, I meant," and continue. Think of it like a friendly, hands-free assistant that responds as you go. If your question is about something you can show, switch to the camera right inside Live by tapping the camera option. This lets Gemini see an object, a label, a screen, or anything else you want help with. Hold your device steady, make sure the object is well lit, and fill the frame so details are easy to read. Then speak your question out loud, for example, asking what an item is, how it's used, or what a piece of text says. You can keep talking while the camera is on, describe what you're showing, point out specific areas, or ask follow-up questions as they come to mind. As you interact, keep your requests clear and focused. Short, direct questions often lead to faster answers, and if you need more detail, just ask for it. If you're in a noisy place, moving to a quieter spot will help the microphone pick up your voice more accurately. And when you're done showing something on camera, simply return your device to a comfortable position and continue the voice conversation as usual. That's all there is to it. Open the app, enter live, speak naturally, and use the camera when visuals help. With these steps, you can get instant, conversational answers and make the most of Gemini's live responses.